All right, this first item I bought, and this is an AOC monitor, a gaming monitor, a 25-inch gaming monitor that they say was developed for awesomeness. And I heard from some viewers that you wanted me to get this to see how it performs because it's very reasonably priced. It's under 200 bucks. It has 144 hertz, a 1 millisecond response time. And get this, they say it supports Freesync and G-Sync. So it will work with both AMD and NVIDIA graphics cards to get you out of that screen tearing that you're probably dealing with. So that was intriguing to me. All right, so let's see what we got in here. This is the base, it looks like, and we can peel off the plastic. By the way, I bought this with my own funds after a viewer recommendation, because we haven't looked at any good bargain monitors in a while. And this is not 4K, but 1080p is often good enough, especially if you are looking for the highest frame rate. So let me just cut over here for a second, and we just got to get the whole thing out. It's like encased in a tomb of styrofoam here. So that's what we got here. Let's get this back on the desk and see what else we have. This looks like the arm. All right, and then we've got, oh good. So it's always good when they give you the cable in the box. A lot of companies don't. Many are doing it now. So you have an HDMI cable here, and then we have the power cable. And then we've got the monitor itself. So let's see what we've got here. Oops. I'm trying to be gentle on the styrofoam in case I want to sell this to a viewer afterward. All right, so it is nicely packed, as all monitors tend to be. And let's see what it looks like. Oh, very nice. It looks like it's got very thin bezels, which you all like these days, right? It's kind of the chic thing to have. And it looks like we've got some plastic to peel off of here, so we'll do that real quick. I just got in a TV a little while ago, and there was a lot of this stuff to peel off. It was a 65-inch TV, and that was a lot of work. So we'll have to see how this one comes together. What's funny is that it supports G-Sync, but you don't see it on any of these logos here at the bottom. It's got like all these other things, and even an icon for game mode, but none of the other stuff. So let's attach the arm here. It looks like it just kind of snaps in. So we'll just, yep, snaps right in there. And then this looks like we may have to screw it onto the base, I think. But let's see. Get it on there. Nope, just snaps right in, and you're assembled. It doesn't look like the base moves up and down, so it's in a fixed position. But I would imagine you could probably get a VESA mount for it. 4 ports here. We've got HDMI 1 and 2. You have DisplayPort, VGA, and a headphone jack, along with a Kensington lock. And it looks like it's got 2 speakers here on the back, too. So kind of complete there. Not bad.